Now, how did I get those notes to sound so crisp and clear like that? Well, I'll tell you. I used my tongue. It's very important to learn how to use our tongues really well on wind instruments and brass instruments because it gives clarity and crispness to the notes that we play. The way that you use your tongue is you say ta at the very beginning of the note so that the tip of your tongue behind your teeth creates a nice point on the front end of the note. When we're first learning how to play a wind instrument or a brass instrument, we learn how to play the note just with our air, like so. Well, this is called huffing. And this won't work for very long because as the music gets more difficult, it gets very clumsy and very tiring, actually, to do it this way. So, if you were to, for instance, try to play a little bit of a scale without using your tongue and just huffing, it would sound like this. It's not so pretty, right? When you add your tongue by saying ta, 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 it sounds like this. Much clearer, much cleaner, much more beautiful. Now I told you that you say the word ta to start the note. You can also say ta or tu or da or do, but the main thing is that you have a clean, pointed, crisp front of the note. But you don't want to stop your air in between those when you have notes in succession. Think of it like this. Have you ever taken a water hose and you put your hand through it and it makes a little break in the water stream as it goes? You know those sprinklers that you see kind of go? That's how they do it. It's basically a little break in a continuous stream of water that makes those different spurts come out. So you can do this at home. If you take your water faucet and you turn it on, you get one continuous stream of water coming out. But if you slide your hand through it like this, it'll make kind of a kind of sound on the bottom of the sink because you're breaking up the stream of water. But from the source, it's just one continuous stream. You want to think of your air the same way. Think of your air as one continuous stream, like, and then you use your tongue like your hand to break up that stream. And then, when you do that into the trumpet, it sounds like this. Again, that's basically one long note broken up by the tongue into 5 notes. But the air is always continuous. Now think about it like this. If we were to try to play, say, the last 4 bars of Hot Cross Buns, that tune that we just learned together, without using the tongue, it would sound kind of like this. Not so good, right? If we add the tongue, it gives a lot of clarity to the notes, and it sounds like this. Much cleaner, much clearer, much more beautiful. And that's how you use your tongue.